Christmas lunch does not have to feel heavy or leave you feeling slow and uncomfortable afterward. You can still enjoy a festive meal that feels special without overloading your plate. Today, I am sharing 11 heart-healthy Christmas lunch recipes that are full of flavor, easy to prepare, and designed for everyday healthy eating. These dishes focus on simple ingredients, lighter cooking methods, and balanced portions, while still bringing that warm Christmas feeling to the table. They are the kind of meals people often include as part of a heart-conscious lifestyle, especially during the holidays when food choices can add up quickly. So if you are looking for heart-healthy food choices that still feel like a proper Christmas lunch, with real taste and real comfort, you are exactly where you need to be. These recipes are commonly included in heart-conscious lifestyles and are a great choice for anyone who enjoys meals that are lower in added sodium and saturated fat during the holidays. The focus here is not on restriction, but on balance, flavor, and simple cooking methods that work well for everyday healthy eating. Each recipe uses familiar ingredients and easy steps, so you do not need to be an expert in the kitchen to follow along. Whether you are cooking for family, welcoming guests, or preparing a relaxed Christmas lunch just for yourself, these dishes are designed to fit right into a festive table while still feeling light and satisfying. Now, let's get straight into recipe number 1. Recipe 1. Herb roasted turkey breast cooking time. About 60 minutes. This is a lighter take on a Christmas classic, using fresh herbs and citrus for flavor instead of heavy sauces. It feels festive, smells amazing while cooking, and fits easily into a heart-conscious lifestyle. Ingredients. You will need 1 boneless turkey breast, about 1.2 kilograms. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Use 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced. For herbs, add 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary, chopped, and 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, also chopped. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Finish with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms up, place the turkey breast in a roasting dish. In a small bowl, mix the olive oil, garlic, rosemary, thyme, black pepper, and lemon juice until everything is well combined. Rub this mixture all over the turkey, making sure the herbs and oil coat the surface evenly. This helps keep the meat moist while adding plenty of flavor. Place the dish into the oven and roast uncovered for about 60 minutes, or until the turkey is cooked through and lightly golden on top. Once it is done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. This step helps keep the turkey juicy and makes slicing easier. Serve it as the centerpiece of your Christmas lunch with your favorite festive sides. Recipe 2. Oven-baked salmon with citrus glaze cooking time, about 25 minutes. Salmon is often included in heart-healthy food choices, and this version is light, flavorful, and perfect for a festive Christmas lunch without feeling heavy. Ingredients. You will need 4 salmon fillets, about 150 grams each. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Use 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Add 1 tablespoon of honey for a gentle sweetness. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To finish, you will need 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, finely chopped. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and place the salmon fillets on the tray, leaving a little space between each piece. In a small bowl, mix the orange juice, honey, olive oil, and black pepper until well combined. Brush this citrus glaze evenly over the salmon fillets, making sure the tops are nicely coated. Place the tray in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Once done, remove from the oven and sprinkle with fresh parsley just before serving. This dish pairs well with roasted vegetables or a light salad and brings a fresh, festive feel to your Christmas table. Recipe 3. Garlic roasted sweet potatoes cooking time, about 35 minutes. Sweet potatoes are commonly included in balanced diets, and they make a colorful, festive side dish that fits beautifully into a heart-conscious Christmas lunch. Ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into even cubes. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika for warmth and color. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the cubed sweet potatoes into a large bowl. Drizzle over the olive oil, then add the garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. Toss everything together until the sweet potatoes are evenly coated. Spread the sweet potatoes out on a baking tray in a single layer. Place the tray in the oven and roast for 30 to 35 minutes, turning them once halfway through, until they are tender on the inside and lightly golden on the outside. These roasted sweet potatoes add warmth, color, and natural sweetness to your Christmas plate and pair well with both turkey and salmon. Recipe 4. Festive Quinoa Cranberry Salad Cooking Time. About 20 minutes. This colorful dish feels light but filling and adds a fresh, festive touch to any Christmas lunch table. Ingredients. You will need 2 cups of cooked quinoa, cooled slightly. Add 1/4 cup of dried cranberries for a pop of sweetness. Use 1 cup of cucumber, diced into small pieces for crunch. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Method. Place the cooked quinoa into a large mixing bowl. Add the dried cranberries and diced cucumber, then drizzle over the olive oil and lemon juice. Sprinkle in the black pepper and gently mix everything together until well combined. Once mixed, cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. This short chill time allows the flavors to come together and makes the salad even more refreshing. Serve this quinoa cranberry salad as a light side dish or alongside your main Christmas meal for a fresh, balanced bite. Recipe 5. Lemon herb roast chicken cooking time. About 75 minutes. This is a comforting Christmas lunch option that fits naturally into a heart-conscious lifestyle. It relies on simple herbs and fresh lemon for flavor, rather than heavy seasonings or rich sauces. Ingredients. You will need 1 whole chicken, about 1.5 kilograms. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Use 1 lemon, sliced. Season with 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken in a roasting dish and pat it dry with paper towels. Rub the olive oil all over the chicken, then sprinkle evenly with the mixed herbs and black pepper. Take the sliced lemon and place it inside the cavity of the chicken. This helps keep the meat moist while adding a gentle citrus flavor as it roasts. Place the dish in the oven and roast for about 75 minutes, until the chicken is golden on the outside and cooked through. Once done, remove from the oven and allow it to rest for 10 minutes before carving. Serve this lemon herb roast chicken with roasted vegetables or a fresh salad for a Christmas lunch that feels warm, familiar, and balanced. Recipe 6. Steamed green beans with almonds cooking time. About 10 minutes. This dish is simple, fresh, and perfect for adding a bit of crunch and color to your Christmas plates. It balances richer dishes nicely and fits well into everyday healthy eating. Ingredients. You will need 500 grams of fresh green beans, trimmed. Add 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds. Finish with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Method. Start by steaming the green beans for about 6 to 8 minutes, until they are tender but still bright green. Drain well and transfer them to a serving bowl. While the beans are still warm, add the sliced almonds and drizzle over the olive oil. Toss everything gently so the beans are lightly coated and the almonds are evenly distributed. Serve immediately as a light, festive side that works beautifully alongside turkey, chicken, or salmon. Recipe 7. Brown rice stuffed bell peppers. Cooking time, about 40 minutes. This is a colorful and satisfying plant-forward dish that looks great on a Christmas table and fits well into a heart-conscious lifestyle. Ingredients. You will need 4 large bell peppers, any color you like. Add 2 cups of cooked brown rice. Use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1/2 cup of onion, finely chopped. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes from inside. Set them aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the cooked brown rice, chopped onion, olive oil, and black pepper. Stir until everything is evenly mixed. Spoon the rice mixture into each bell pepper, packing it in gently. Place the stuffed peppers upright in a baking dish. Bake in the oven for 40 minutes, until the peppers are tender and slightly softened. Remove from the oven and allow them to cool slightly before serving. These stuffed bell peppers make a bright, hearty addition to your Christmas lunch spread. Recipe 8. Roasted carrots with honey drizzle. Cooking time, about 30 minutes. This dish is sweet, simple, and perfect for Christmas lunch, with no heavy sauces needed. It adds natural color and gentle sweetness to the plate while keeping things light. Ingredients. You will need 800 grams of carrots, peeled and cut into even pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Finish with 1 tablespoon of honey. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the carrots into a bowl, drizzle with olive oil, and toss until they are evenly coated. Spread the carrots out on a baking tray in a single layer. Roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, until they are tender and lightly caramelized at the edges. Once they are out of the oven, drizzle the honey lightly over the carrots while they are still warm. Give them a gentle toss and serve right away as a simple, festive side dish. Recipe 9. Lentil and vegetable loaf. Cooking time, about 45 minutes. This is a great option for guests following heart-healthy eating plans or anyone looking to add a satisfying plant-based dish to their Christmas lunch table. Ingredients. You will need 2 cups of cooked lentils, drained well. Add 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1/2 cup of onion, finely diced. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Method. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a loaf pan and set it aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked lentils, rolled oats, diced onion, olive oil, and black pepper. Mix everything together until the ingredients are evenly combined and hold together slightly when pressed. Transfer the mixture into the loaf pan and press it down firmly to create an even surface. Place the pan in the oven and bake for 45 minutes until the loaf is set and lightly golden on top. Remove from the oven and allow it to rest for a few minutes before slicing. This lentil and vegetable loaf works well as a main dish or as a hearty side alongside roasted vegetables. Recipe 10. Mashed cauliflower with olive oil. Cooking time, about 20 minutes. This is a lighter alternative to traditional mash and works well as a comforting side dish for Christmas lunch without feeling heavy. Ingredients. You will need 1 large head of cauliflower, cut into florets. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Method. Start by steaming the cauliflower florets for about 12 to 15 minutes, until they are very soft and easy to pierce with a fork. Drain well to remove excess moisture. Transfer the cauliflower to a bowl and mash it until smooth using a fork or potato masher. Drizzle in the olive oil and add the black pepper, then continue mashing until everything is well combined and creamy. Serve warm as a simple, satisfying side dish that pairs nicely with roasted chicken, turkey, or vegetables. Recipe 11. Baked apples with cinnamon. Cooking time: about 25 minutes. This is a naturally sweet Christmas dessert that feels cozy and satisfying without being heavy. It is simple to prepare and makes your kitchen smell amazing while it bakes. Ingredients: you will need 4 medium apples, any variety you enjoy baking with. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Finish with 2 teaspoons of honey. Method: start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully core the apples and place them upright in a baking dish. Sprinkle the cinnamon evenly over the tops of the apples, then drizzle the honey lightly into the center and over the surface. This adds gentle sweetness while letting the natural apple flavor shine. Place the dish in the oven and bake for 25 minutes, until the apples are soft and tender but still hold their shape. Remove from the oven and allow them to cool slightly before serving. These baked apples are a simple, comforting way to finish your Christmas lunch and pair beautifully with tea or coffee. Christmas meals can still feel warm, joyful, and festive while fitting comfortably into a heart-conscious lifestyle. These heart-healthy Christmas lunch recipes are designed for everyday healthy eating, focusing on simple ingredients, lighter cooking methods, and flavors that feel comforting without being heavy. The holidays are really about shared moments, good conversations, and enjoying food that brings everyone together at the table. With small, thoughtful choices, Christmas lunch can feel just as special while keeping things balanced. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might be planning a lighter Christmas lunch this year. More simple, balanced, and festive food ideas are coming your way, so stay connected and enjoy the season ahead.